come from Kajiado, and he fell sick at night, and he has passed away. It's very sad. He would have been with us today and tomorrow, and I think in his honor we can stand for just a minute. In his honor. Okay. It's very sad. He got sick, he was rushed to hospital, but he couldn't make it. And the DC Kajiado Central is now organizing how the body is going to be taken care of. Mr. Njoroge and your team from Nairobi, and Mr. Siahe, the PPO, we're with Mr. Siahe in Kisumu. We have just met and we have had our recollections. District commissioners present, district officers, chiefs, DDOs, all other government officers and all protocols observed. I want to welcome you to this very important workshop on Vision 2030. Mr. Siahe, ourselves, at our level, we've been taken through this course twice at the national level, and I think it is a very, very, very important workshop for us to understand Vision 2030 is, and also see what role we are supposed to play as civil servants, as leaders in the community. So I want you to take it very seriously between now and tomorrow so that you can understand your role and to go and play it out there. I had the privilege of visiting Rwanda in June. And what is very interesting about Rwanda is that everybody talks about their vision, 2020. They sing it like a song. And for them, they have taken it in a very interesting way. And I think that is also the way we should take it here. They know that an individual's contribution adds up to the ultimate goal. And therefore, if you are a farmer who keeps dairy animals and you produce 10 liters of milk, you strive to make the animals produce 20 liters of milk at that personal level. If you multiply by the number of the dairy farmers who keep animals, if each one of them is able to multiply by 2, whatever they are doing, then it means we have already attained the national goal, isn't it? If we are saying in the Vision 2030 that we want everybody to know how to read and write by then, when the chief insists that a child must go to school, that by 2030, everybody will have learned how to read and write, isn't it? Yeah. So the little things that you do on a daily basis will contribute to the big picture. If it is roads department, if they are supposed to make so many kilometers of roads, they will not wait until they get all the money to do the roads. But the kilometers they are doing today and the kilometers they will do tomorrow will lead to the large vision of 2030.